Good morning, class. I am Shivani Sharma, teaching you Environmental Studies, Chapter 3, that is Food. So, class, what do you mean by food? Food means what we eat, like fruits, vegetables, seeds, healthy food, junk food, etc. So, from this chapter, we will read about food. This is the picture of fruit. So, fruits are the things that we can eat, and these are protective food. This is the picture of vegetables. We can also eat vegetables, and these are also our protective food. This is the picture of healthy food. These are the healthy food items, and these gives us energy to work and play. Now this is the picture of junk food. Junk food items are the items that are not healthy, but we used to eat them. So it's not healthy, so we should avoid eating them. Now let's read the chapter. Food forms a very important part of our life. It gives us energy to work and play. It helps us to grow. Healthy food protects us from disease. So class, basically food gives us energy which helps us in working and playing. And it also helps us in growing. And healthy food protects us from disease. Now, one type of food does not give us all that is required by our body. We should eat different type of food to become healthy. There are mainly three kinds of food groups. First one is energy giving food, next one is bodybuilding food, and the third one is protective food. So now we will read about the energy giving food. They help us in different ways. Bread, rice, butter and sugar are energy giving food. They give us energy to work and play. Number two, bodybuilding foods. Eggs, fish, pulses and meat are bodybuilding foods. They help in building our bones and muscles. Third one is protective foods. Protective foods include fruits and vegetables. They protect us from disease. Now life skills. Eat at least one meal with your family every day. Class, you should eat at least one meal of a day with your family. Now the next one, milk. We should drink 2 or 3 glasses of milk every day. It is good for our bones. It makes our teeth strong. Class, one person have to drink at least 2 or 3 glasses of milk every day. It makes our bones strong and teeth also. Milk gives calcium to our teeth and bones. Now, cooked and uncooked food. Foods like radish and cucumber are easy to chew and are tasty. They can be eaten without cooking, that is raw. We can eat some food items without cooking, and that food items we call raw. Okay, so some of the raw food items are carrot, radish, cucumber. Okay, now a fact. Boiling, frying, steaming and roasting are some methods of cooking. These are the some methods for cooking food. All food cannot be eaten raw. We cannot eat all the foods raw. Potatoes, brinjals, pulses and eggs have to be cooked before we eat them. These are the things that we have to cook before eating. Cooking makes the food soft and tasty. It makes the food easier to digest. Cooking is the process that makes the food soft and tasty. And it also makes the food easier to digest. Now, food habits. So, people eat meat, eggs, fish in addition to plants and their parts. They are called non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians are the persons who eat meat, eggs, fish with addition to the plants and their parts. These are the non-vegetarians. And vegetarians are the persons who eat just plants and their parts. Class, there is one activity here. Try it yourself. Bring a cut onion or ladyfinger. Dip it in your favorite watercolor and make an activity design on a sheet of paper. If you have all the things, you can try that activity. Okay? Healthy food and junk food. As we have discussed at the starting of the chapter about healthy food and junk food. Now we had the topic healthy food. Food that is good for our health is called healthy. From the heading of healthy food, we came to know that it's healthy for us. So, food that is good for our health, which is healthy food. For example, milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, nuts, etc. And junk food, food that is not good for our health. These are called the food that is not good for our health is called junk food. Eating too much of junk food makes you fat and lazy. Some of the examples of junk food are noodles, chocolate, wafers, chips, pizza, burgers, cold drinks, etc. Now, variations in food. People show variations in food habits. People are having variations in their food habits according to their taste, age, families, area, locality, etc. First one is a baby drinks milk or eats very soft food because it does not have teeth. Next one, an elderly people whose teeth have fallen also prefers to eat soft food like dal, rice or porridge. Elderly people also like to eat food that is not very oily and spicy. The kind of food we eat also depends on our family. Some families like to eat spicy food, some like to eat rice for both meals. The kind of food we eat also depends on the place where we live. People living near the sea eat a lot of fish because it is easily available. Now life skills. Drink plenty of water every day. It helps in digestion of food. It helps to remove waste from our body. So class, one person have to drink a lot of water every day. At least 6 to 8 glasses of water we have to drink in a day, which helps in the digestion of food and which also helps in removing the waste from our body. Now come to the exercises. Exercise A. Tick write the correct option. Number 1. Bread is an energy giving food. Number 2. This food is good for our bones. Milk. Number 3. We can eat this food raw. Apple. Number 4. This is a junk food. Noodles. Now exercise B. Write E for energy giving, P for protective and B for bodybuilding food. Fruits P, that is protective food. Bread E, that is energy giving food. Egg B, that is bodybuilding food. Rice E, that is energy giving food. Pulses B, that is bodybuilding food. Got it? Now exercise C. Put right or wrong. Number 1. A person who only eats plants and its products is called a non-vegetarian. Wrong. Second, elderly people like to eat oily and spicy food. Wrong. Third one, cooking makes the food soft and tasty. Right. Number 4, fruits and vegetables protect us from disease. Right. Exercise D. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Why do we need to eat food? Answer. We need food to grow and to give us energy to work and to play. Question number 2. Name the 3 food groups that we have. Answer. Number 1. Energy giving food. Number 2. Protective food. Number 3. Bodybuilding food. Question number 3. Who are vegetarians? Answer. Some people who eat plants and their parts are called vegetarians. Number 4. Why do people have variations in food habits? Answer. People have variations in food habits because it depends on the place or family or age. Now it's time for homework. Read the chapter carefully. Write the work in your notebooks neatly and cleanly. And read these exercises and learn also. Thank you, class. We will continue with the next video. Bye.